Okay, flex your chicken legs.
Go to the upper body.
Okay, upper body. Okay. You look so serious. Now you look indignant. I think you gotta work on your head more. It's looking pretty small. Chuck show you all those poses? I'm pretty sure he would have said smile. That's better. You look a little bit more tanned. That light in the background's kind of brutal. It's getting longer. It would have been done twice by now. Doesn't it make you a bit tired doing that? Oh, that's a bit scary. Well, you're getting a bit more definition on your abs.
Good.